Great civilizations are often remembered for their rulers and monuments. But knowledge grows in quieter places. In the medieval Islamic world, special institutions were created where learning was open to all. They were called Dar al-Ilm, houses of knowledge. The name Dar al-Ilm means house of knowledge. These institutions functioned as public centers for learning. Students and scholars gathered to read manuscripts, attend lectures, and debate ideas. Knowledge was not hidden. It was shared. One of the most famous Dar al-Ilm institutions was founded in Cairo during the 11th century. Its vast collections of books attracted scholars from many regions. The doors were open to anyone eager to learn. Cairo became a center of intellectual life. Scholars studied astronomy, mathematics, medicine, philosophy, and language. These institutions encouraged curiosity and debate. Learning became a shared cultural value. Inside the Dar al-Ilm, learning happened through discussion. Teachers explained complex texts. Students asked questions. Ideas were explored together. This environment encouraged critical thinking and intellectual exchange. Books were central to this culture. Manuscripts were copied, preserved, and studied carefully. Libraries connected scholars across generations. Each text carried the knowledge of those who came before. The Dar al-Ilm institutions remind us that knowledge flourishes when it is shared. These houses of knowledge helped shape an intellectual world that valued learning, curiosity, and discovery. Another echo of a civilization built on the pursuit of understanding.